Hey everybody, I got something to show you. I'm going to be making pistachio pudding. You need 2 things of pistachio pudding, 1 can of crushed pineapples, shredded coconut, and marshmallows. And you can have almonds if the almonds is optional if you want. This is my first cooking video here on TikTok. Ooh. Okay. Now you want to open the pineapple. My grandma taught me how to make this. And the juice and everything you want to just dump in. I hope the bowl was big enough. That's what it looks like so far. Now you want to mix. Okay, now open your marshmallows. You want an even amount of marshmallows in the coconut. I think that's good. Okay, I had to get a bigger bowl. Now open the coconut. Okay, now put coconut in, and you want to mix it. I think this is good. Then this is how you make Watergate salad. Let me know in the comments if you ever made it. And if you do, tag me here on TikTok.